Continental have a range of tyres designed to suit everything from an ultra high performance sports car all the way to a commercial van. And in today's video, we're going to go through the range to let you know what each one is designed for and what will suit you best. Starting with the Sport Contact range, this is Continental's ultra high performance tyre. Developed for drivers who want maximum grip, precise handling and strong high-speed stability, Sport Contact tyres are engineered to deliver sharp steering response and confident cornering, making them ideal for sports cars and performance-focused driving. Next is the Eco Contact range, designed with fuel economy and efficiency in mind. Eco Contact tyres are built to reduce rolling resistance while still maintaining dependable grip and comfort. They are a great option for everyday drivers looking to improve efficiency and lower running costs without sacrificing safety. Then we have the Premium Contact range, their touring tyre that balances comfort, safety and performance. Premium Contact tyres are designed to provide excellent wet braking, smooth driving comfort and reliable everyday handling, making them ideal for family cars and motorway driving. Next is the All-Season Contact range, and as the name suggests, it's designed to work in all seasons. All-Season Contact tyres offer dependable grip in wet, dry and colder conditions, giving drivers the convenience of one tyre for every season without switching between summer and winter sets. And before we continue, don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date on the latest tyre and industry advice. Then we have the Ultra Contact range, designed with longevity and comfort as the priority. Ultra Contact tyres are built for drivers who cover high mileage and want a quieter, more durable driving experience. They provide strong wet weather performance alongside enhanced tyre life, making them a practical option for everyday use. Next is the Cross Contact range, designed specifically for 4x4s and SUVs. Cross Contact tyres are designed to handle larger vehicles with confidence, both on and off the road. They offer strong traction, stability and durability, whether you're driving mainly on tarmac or occasionally tackling rougher terrain. And finally, the Van Contact range, designed for vans and commercial vehicles. Van Contact tyres are designed to cope with heavier loads, long distance and demanding daily use. They focus on durability, efficiency and dependable grip, making them a reliable choice for businesses and high mileage drivers. So there we have it, that is a Continental tyre range. So whether you're looking for performance, durability, all-season capabilities or efficiency, Continental has a tyre for you.